In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best container store promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for container store promo codes. Right here, we'll have to scroll down a little bit and find this website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have different type of promo codes and discount codes that we can use. And for example, if I want to use this one with save 15% with student discount code, I can simply select your coupon code right here and use this promo code on my next purchase in order to apply that discount. And if I go back to my main search right here on Google and scroll down a little bit, another website that I recommend to use is simplycodes.com. So right here we have other coupon codes, promo codes, and so on that we can use. For example, this one with 25% off. All we have to do is copy this code right here, which is homework, and we can use this code in order to get the discount on our next purchase. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.